let's learn how to draw cats. First, you want to have a sheet of paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a pen. Ah yes, cat doodle. With your pencil, you want to sketch out a nice circle. Now, draw 2 triangles on top of the circle, like this. Now, you are going to draw, like, little hooks, I suppose, if you want to make a fuzzy cat like this one. But you don't have to if you don't wish to. It's more of a detail thing. Alright, now that you have these are the guidelines. Now you want to draw a straight line down the middle, like this. And you want to draw 2 lines going this way. Alright, now that you've done that, you want this right here, where this intersection is, the second line, you want to draw the nose. It looks a little bit like I don't know what to call it, underwear. Now that you've drawn that, you want to start drawing the eyes in, right? But before you do the eyes, you want to draw this thing above the nose, a bunch of cross-hatching. If you want to cross-hatch, that is, it could just be hatching. Like this. Now, these right here, the eyes should be about an eye apart. So we want to draw 2 circles like so. As you can see, this is where the eyes are going. So you want to draw 2 frames for the eyes like this. As you can see, the frames of the eyes are, I suppose, like guiding around the circles. Now you want to draw the interior of the eye. So there are multiple ways you can do this, but the way I will do it is to just mimic human eyes like this. The direction in which the eyes are facing, they're looking at something. So this shows that they're looking not at you, but ahead. Now, I've drawn 2 slits for the pupils, but you don't have to do that. It can just be a circle with with the very large pupil. So now we're gonna draw in the details, but we also need to do the mouth first. So, mouth looks a bit like this. Looks kind of like one of those frisbees that have like a funny shape. It's like draw a triangle and then you like make these outlines above it. It kind of looks like this, just a little bit thinner and upside down. Don't you see? So now we have to draw like the little beard so that the cat has a jaw. So, ah yes, cat beard. So now the details for here and here. We're gonna put the whiskers in last. We also have some details up here that I want to fill in, so we're gonna do that really quickly. Basically doing this will give you like the little hairs. We also have some bits up here that need fur, so I gave him some stripes. So now you want to do the ears, which is basically mostly done for you, but what you want to do is to like make a little outline like so. And I added fur inside the ears, but you can just like make little balls of fur. It's a stylistic choice for that one. You can just make any kind of cat you want, but so you want to start tracing this in pen, and after you give it a little collar of your choice actually. So 1 second. Now, so we have this, right? We have our little collar and everything. We're not going to do the body because I'm lazy. I'll show you how to do that another time. But basically it's a ball and another ball, and then you draw the legs. But that's for another time. So now we want to erase these like guidelines that we used, right? So we're going to trace all of this over in our trusty pen, which is 1 second. I should probably uncap it. Okay, so we're going to start inking this in pen. Make sure you do it like very like neatly so that you can add the details in later. Okay? So I'll be right back. So now we have the outline done. I want to erase this guideline out, so we're gonna do that really quickly. What a finely distinguished little cat. So now we're going to add whiskers with our trusty pen. Try making the movements as fluid as possible when you do this so that it doesn't, like, you know, crinkle up. Unless you want crinkled up whiskers, which is, I suppose, a stylistic choice. So it depends on the cat, but some of them have eyebrow whiskers. I think this is cute. Thank you. Bye-bye.